How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 66 Chevelle Resto-mod. Badge is an SS, done in a super slick torch red, super nice car. Had a complete frame off build approximately 2 years ago. Super slick, straight down the sides. It's got an LS in it with a 6-speed manual. Got all 4-wheel disc brakes, all aftermarket suspension components, and 12-bolt posi in it. Tell you, super cool car. Just tough looking. Got all your front and rear sway bars. It's got coil-over shocks all around. Just, I tell you, it's a really cool car. It's got your vintage AC and heat. It's got the LS motor with the carburetor conversion. Super cool, MSD controlled. Got all your ceramic coated headers, aluminum radiator. Got your power 4-wheel disc, power steering. You have to kind of bear with us, it's only 20-some degrees here today. Super clean, all the jams. Interior is very nice. It's got all custom AutoMeter gauges in it with the carbon fiber inserts in the dash. It's got your billet tilt column, all your billet shifter and everything for the 6-speed. It's got hydraulic clutch. Interior in the car is super nice. Been updated with some seat belts that kind of go over your shoulder. It's got the Pro seats in it. Real comfortable car to drive. It's got the stereo system in it. Trunk's all been nicely finished off. Dude, this car is ready to cruise, go to your shows. Super nice car. So all the bumpers have been redone on the car, all the trim. Paint's real slick on the car. It's got your Foose 18-inch wheels all around, your Nitto tires. Got all updated wiring harness in it. Tell you, I really like the custom gauges in the dash. They did a very nice job doing it all. And the carbon fiber looks real nice. Dude, it's just a tough looking car. Fires right up. Got full exhaust all the way out the back, all ceramic coated, long tube headers on it. Just a tough little car. Very clean car, backup lights all work. good. Tell you, it's just a really, really nice car. It's all original panel car as well. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or come into our new showroom here at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan.